And what are we doing?
Where's my
Type in Marbleizing Milk Painting. Because that's what we're going to be doing again.
Mama.
Yes. So, the ingredients we need are milk, food coloring, dish soap, lab tray, hand-shaped tool, paper. So we're going to start by pouring milk in the tray, enough to cover the bottom. Oops, grab my phone. Oops. My phone almost went for a milk bath. Milk bath! Milk bath! You want to take a milk bath?
No!
So, I'm going to do this part. Just one drop?
Wait.
I guess maybe just one. Maybe that's where we messed up.
Mama,
One blue drop.
but orange.
You want to do orange?
Yeah.
One orange, yellow, slash yellow,
No,
whatever it
orange.
is. Oh,
Orange.
2 drops of orange. What else? Green or red for the last one? All right, red. I'm just going to do 1 drop because this has got to be where we messed up. Next thing is the soap. 3 drops, and I also put a lot of the soap. All right, wait. Oh, bubbles! And now it looks like this. And now Frankie's gonna mix it. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Something about it doesn't look right. So we're gonna float the paper.
I will buy this bubble.
And what? Not a masterpiece.
Mama,
Yes, honey.
I need more white.
All right, so this is a bust. This is not beautiful. This is not cute.
Hey, this is not.
All right, so we're doing something wrong. What do you think we're doing wrong? Too much food coloring.
Yeah.
Or too much mixing? All right, let's say bye.
Bye.
Show your cute face. Bye, see you next time.
Have a good night.